Hey everyone, welcome to Indie Studio and welcome to another brand new episode. And today we'll be creating a very simple poster design using some very simple brush techniques. And I'm testing a brand new LUT, and good news for my Patreon supporter, it's available for you. And if you want to check it, the link is in the description list below. And one more thing, if you guys are new to this channel and haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe my channel. And yes, there is a lot to cover, so without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So here we are in Photoshop, and first thing first, let's create an artboard. And for that, I'm going to press Ctrl and N, right? And then I'm going for 2:3, resolution to 300, color mode to RGB, bitrate to 8, and I'll just keep the rest as default, as it is, right? And then let's change the orientation to portrait, and let's click on create. And right after that, let's create a background solid. So go over here, create a solid, and then I'm just going for kind of darker gray stone, something like that. And then let's drag and drop our very first image, this one. So drag and drop right over here. So here we go. Let's make it a little bigger, Ctrl and T. Let's make it bigger, just like so. And like I mentioned, I'm going to make this tutorial very simple. I'm going to use just few brushes and a color LUT. That's it, right? And then let's keep this image inside a group. So for that, select the layer, press Ctrl and G, and let's rename this group as image holder. And now let's go over here and let's drag and drop this image right over here, right? And let's keep this inside the image holder, and let's change the blending mode to screen, just like so. And let's keep it maybe right around here, right? And let's create a layer mask, go to brush, and then let's go for a general soft brush. So go over here, let's go for this brush, and let's erase some of these parts, and let's erase from his face, just like that. Let's keep it like so. Oh my god, let's forget my spelling, right? So just go over here and select the image holder group, and let's create a layer mask. Now again, go to brush and just go for a general soft brush, and using a black color, let's erase some of these hard edges right around here, right? Just like so. Alright, now let's go on very bottom, create a new layer. Again, go to brush, and I'm going to use some environmental brush. So let's go for this brush, and let's make it a little bigger, right? And then let's go for a kind of darker shade, just like so. And let's add, and let's go for another brush. Yep, I'd say it's this one. And let's create one more layer, and let's click on clip to layer or clipping mask, and let's go for a general soft brush, and I'm going to add some glow on edges. Let's go for this one, and let's add some right around here, and let's change the blending mode to screen, and let's do the same thing right over here. And now let's go over here, go to brush, and before everything let's add a color LUT. So go over here and let's click on lookup, and from here click on load. And I'm going to use my brand new LUT, and this LUT is available on my Patreon. So select this one and click on load. So this is what we got. And then let's add a curve on very top, and let's make this way darker, just like so. Alright, now let's go on very bottom, let's add a new layer, and again let's do some touch up. So go over here, let's go for a kind of this brush, then let's add some kind of glow, and yep, just like that. Let's make it a little darker. Let's change the opacity, just maybe some more. Yep, just like so. And let's go on very top, create a new layer, and then again same thing, let's add some soft thing, just like so. Yep, let's keep it like that. And then let's add a new layer right around here, and go to brush, and let's go for another brush. So I'm going to use this brush, so select this one, and let's go for a kind of darker red. Yep, just like so. Yep, let's keep it like that. Alright, and then let's go on very bottom, and let's add one more layer, just like so. And then let's create a new layer, and let's change the color to kind of lighter color, and let's edit some of these parts. Now let's add some text. So go over here, click on text, and then let's add just like so. Let's make it a little smaller, and let's change it to 0, and then let's make it a little darker, I guess. Yep, just like so, and Control T. And let's add some more text, and let's change the text size, just like that, and select both, Control T. Let's add some scale, just like so. Just like so, and let's keep it right around here. Alright, now let's go for this PNG. So select this one, let's drag and drop right around here. Control T, let's make it a little smaller. Let's rotate it, let's keep it right around here. Let's make one more copy. Control J, Control T, let's move it on the other side, and maybe let's keep it just like so. And now let's do a simple color touch up. So before that, let's click on this layer, go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter, and let's go for a detail tab, and let's increase the noise reduction. Let's increase the color noise reduction, and let's increase the sharpening too. And let's go for a basic tab, let's increase the clarity, let's increase the textures, and on detail tab, and on color mixer tab, let's drop down the saturation for orange and yellows, just like so. And let's click on OK, and let's merge everything, right? Control Shift Alt and E. Let's go to filter, let's go to camera raw filter again, and then let's increase the shadows just like so. Drop down the highlights, increase the clarity, increase the texture, and after that let's go on effect tab, let's increase the grain just like so, increase the vignetting. Now let's go on basic tab, let's increase the vibrance just a little touch, and maybe let's increase the contrast just like so. And let's click on dehaze a little bit, and let's click on OK. Now let's drag and drop this texture image right over here, and let's make it screen. Control T, and yep, that's the final. And I hope you guys learned something new from this tutorial, and see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.